Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our team, all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on that link which will then take you to our website, and then that's where you'll then be able to join our service. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on our team soon.
So guys, in front of me is the S&P 500 futures chart, and as you can see today, we have kind of traded flat. We're trading in a red ever so slightly at 3,563. Although, you know, it looks like we have become a little bit exhausted here in the S&P 500. I would take this due to the fact, look at that horrific candlestick that we formed back on Monday. You know, we flew sky high, you know, continuing from the rally that we saw in last week's video. And then in the final hour of trading, of course, we gave back a lot of our gains that we saw during the session on Monday to form this horrific looking candle, which is a shooting star. So I anticipated the S&P 500 to fall back down towards the 50-day EMA. However, on Tuesday session, you know, we held pretty well, and we actually formed a small shooting star. And as you can see, Wednesday we then rallied, and Thursday, you know, we've kind of ran into a brick wall. But you know, I don't mind this. We're building pressure up against the all-time high, which is that 3,600 level. What we're waiting for now is a catalyst to push us higher. There's two potential catalysts that could push us higher. Any news on a second stimulus deal, that will be very beneficial towards the markets. And the second one is the pharmaceutical company called Moderna. You know, just like Pfizer on Monday, we had the coronavirus vaccine late stage trials answers from Pfizer, which had a 90% success rate, which was a phenomenal, phenomenal result that none of us were really expecting. You know, Dr. Fauci, who's the health advisor for the US, was anticipating a result of roughly anywhere between 50 to 60% success rate. And, you know, Pfizer come out with 90%, which really blew people away. So if Moderna could come out with anywhere between a 90 to 100% success rate, then that would really help lead the gains. Even if they come out and posted an 80 to 90% success rate, then that would be really well, because that would then mean that, you know, two US pharmaceutical companies have a successful vaccine to treat people against the coronavirus. So the more vaccines that can get made, you know, the quicker the US economy and other global economies can get back to where they were prior to the massive fall that we saw in productivity, you know, back in March due to the lockdowns that many countries around the world had to take. So where do I see the S&P 500 going from here? Well, I am in favor of a second stimulus deal. I do believe we will get it. I think Joe Biden just needs to finish negotiating with the Republican team. But I think that, you know, the people of America need it, the businesses of America need it, and it will come. So for that reason, I do see the S&P 500 trading higher. I saw yesterday that Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan have raised their price targets here for the S&P 500. Goldman Sachs have a price target at the end of 2021. So in 12 months' time, they expect the S&P 500 to be up at 4,300, and JP Morgan have raised their S&P 500 targets to 4,500 by the end of 2021, which is another 25% from where we currently are. So that is a very, very, very bullish forecast there from two of the biggest banks in the world, which is Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan. So very encouraging news from that front. So for that reason, I'm a buyer. 3,800 is my target. No interest in selling.